Hello everybody, my name is Sean with American Medical, the Oxygen Concentrator store. Today I'm going to talk about the Inogen G3 portable concentrator, probably one of our most popular concentrators we have. It's one of those machines for an active lifestyle. If you're out and about shopping, just kind of want to use oxygen while you're going back and forth, this is the ideal type of concentrator for you. It only weighs like 4.5 pounds. You can run it off a battery, or you can plug it to your car, plug it to the electrical outlet. It's a pulse flow style concentrator. So it's just like kind of like on demand. As you breathe in, that's when you get the oxygen, and it has pulse settings from 1 to 5. So like I said, real popular unit. And without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of the Inogen G3 portable concentrator. So we are doing the unboxing of the Inogen G3 portable concentrator, and as you unbox this particular unit, you can take the unit itself out, and this is what the unit looks like once you unbox it. That unit is without the battery in it. Speaking of the battery, you take the battery out of the box. This is what the battery looks like. And I'll go ahead and install that battery real quickly for you so you can see how that works. You simply take the unit out of the case, and you just simply slide the battery in, like so. And then you just zip the case back up. Also in the box, you have your AC adapter. It comes in two pieces, one with the brick, and then you just simply put those two together. This end here goes onto the unit, and then the other end of the cord goes into your electrical outlet, of course. And also you have a DC outlet, which is the outlet that fits in your vehicle, the DC outlet in your vehicle. Kind of looks like the old cigarette lighter adapter, but they're called DC outlets now. So this end will go into your vehicle. This end will go to the concentrator itself. Also in the box, you get a handy manual, which will tell you all about the unit. So if you ever have any questions, you can refer to the manual. It has a little quick start guide and all that jazz. And then you also we throw in a cannula for you. And that is pretty much everything that you get once you unbox your Inogen G3 when it arrives to you. All right, so once you've installed the battery, typically the battery is going to be about halfway charged from the manufacturer. So I would advise you to go ahead and charge the battery when you get it. Easiest way to do that is to take your AC adapters, plug it up to your electrical outlet, and it'll automatically start charging your machine. You can still operate the machine when you put the battery in it, and I'll show you a quick way of turning the machine on. These are your buttons here. This is your power button. You simply hold that power button down and the machine will turn on. These two buttons here are your up and down buttons. These are your pulse setting buttons. The machine goes from a pulse setting of 1 to 5. So you can go up and down as you like with these two buttons. This is going to be your light button so that you can see the display real well. I don't know if I'll press it if you can see it or not. But anyway, that's your light button if you need to see the display. Maybe if you're in dark, you need to see the display to see what setting you're on, or your icon to see how much battery life you have. That's a good button to use for that. You also have the alarm button. So if the machine detects you're not breathing through your nose, then the alarm will pop on. So you can turn that alarm off and on if you want to. I personally suggest you leave it on so that it can remind you to breathe through your nose. If you need to turn the machine off, you got the power button. Simply hold it that way and it'll turn off. This right here is the area that you would put your cannula in. Simply put your cannula in there, and then the other end, of course, goes into your nose. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of the Inogen G3 portable concentrator. If you like this video, as well as other videos, like us on Facebook and join our community. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.